January. 1. Sylvia.
In January the weather is wonderful. It's the most perfect time of year. Not too hot, not too cold. But the temperature can change a lot in just one day. It can go from quite chilly to very warm. So you should perhaps bring a jacket, but you don't need any thick winter clothes. The capital city is the most populated city in the world, and there are lots of things to see and do there. We have lots of very old historic buildings. We are very proud of our history. But you should also go to the coast. We have beautiful beaches. Perhaps you've heard of Acapulco. You don't need a lot of money to enjoy your holiday. There are lots of good cheap hotels and restaurants. And of course you must visit the markets. You can buy all kinds of pottery and things quite cheaply. And don't forget our wonderful fruit and vegetables. We have 100 different kinds of pepper. You should try tacos, which are a kind of bread filled with meat, beans and salad. And our fruit juices are very good.
2. Dima.
It's usually quite mild in January, and it doesn't often rain, so you don't have to bring warm clothes. But you'll need a light coat or a jumper, because it can get cool in the evenings, especially in the north of the country. There is so much to see and do. Our country has a long history. The capital, Amman, has some great museums, and there are many areas of historical interest to see, including World Heritage Sites such as Petra and the 8th century desert castle, Qasr Amra. If you're interested in nature, you should take a trip to one of the country's beautiful nature reserves, which are home to many different types of wildlife, or spend a few nights camping in the eastern desert. While you're visiting, you shouldn't miss the opportunity to try some of the local dishes. You should try mansaf, a mix of rice, lamb and yogurt, and fool, which is a dish made of beans, garlic, peppers and olive oil. It's really tasty. If you like sweet things, ask for some Ali. It's a delicious bread pudding cooked with dates, nuts and cream. And what's the best thing to drink? The answer is mint tea. It's especially good if the weather is very hot, because it's very, very refreshing.
3. Carl.
Well, of course, in January in my country it can be very cold, with lots of snow everywhere. So you must bring lots of warm clothes, coats and woolly hats, and if you can, snow boots. Many people go skiing in the mountains at the weekends, and when you are up so high and the sky is blue, the sun can feel really quite hot, warm enough to have lunch outside. You can even sunbathe, so you should bring sun cream. But you don't have to go skiing. There are lots of other things to do and see. A lot of our towns are very pretty. They look exactly the same today as they did 400 years ago. And we have beautiful lakes. If the weather's fine, you can go for a boat trip, and you can get really wonderful views of the mountains all around. From Lake Geneva, you can sometimes see as far as Mont Blanc. The food you must try is fondue, which is cheese melted in a pot. You put pieces of bread on long forks to get it out. Also, you could try rösti, made with potatoes and cream. They're both delicious.